Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CHK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis several times last week, so that is where the red and green line annotations here are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. First, I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, just get rid of that line. Sure, that level pertains, just not relevant right now. And from where I sit as, presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, that needs to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So 17 cents now going to be that newest area of resistance. It had been a level of support that did a great job of fighting and holding strong, including back on Friday. You can see right there, try to hold strong, but this morning the price fell below it. At that point, you would then expect it to act as resistance, and then during the final 30 minutes, sure, the price didn't hit it exactly, but got relatively close, and then you can see it got rejected right back off it. So moral of the story there, 17 cents now going to be that initial and key level of resistance to watch going forward. As far as levels of support, and this is also just a sign of bearishness, keep in mind, now that we have more data, I need to adjust this level of support. And in this situation, now that we have more data, it's very apparent that the level of support is now down here at 15 cents. And not to insult your intelligence, but I'm sure you noticed that I had to adjust that green line downwards. And whenever levels of support need to be adjusted lower, not the end of the world, but definitely not any sort of sign of bullishness at all. So like I said, not only did this level of support get destroyed today, now all of a sudden this level of support needed to be adjusted downwards. So just a whole lot of bearishness that occurred today, which again doesn't make sense, or doesn't make it a guarantee that now for sure the price is going to be dropping down lower on Tuesday. But if there is going to be any sort of recovery, then the bulls are really going to have to bring their A game, because as of right now, like I said, things are looking quite shaky from that point of view. But to be fair, usually when things are looking about as bad as it can get, maybe that's when things are getting ready to turn around. So we'll see if that plays out at all. But overall, rough day. But the good news is the week is young, still 4 days left. So let's see if the price can try to get things turned around. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.